Denaturation of protein. When a protein in its native form, in its active form, is subjected to change. What change? Such as change in temperature or change in pH. The hydrogen bonds are disturbed. Due to this, globules unfold and helix get uncoiled. Means helix structure जो है वो uncoil हो जाएगी and protein loses its biological activity. जो protein है it will lose its biological activity. This is called denaturation of protein. During denaturation जो secondary और tertiary structures हैं they are destroyed, but primary structure remains the same, remains intact. For example, coagulation of egg, I mean boiling of egg. Coagulation of egg on boiling, curdling of milk, changing milk into cheese. So these are few examples of denaturation of protein. There is a term called renaturation. Sometimes a denatured protein, that is its inactive state, can be made active by some method, that is called renaturation of protein. Then is enzymes. Enzymes are biological catalysts which are required to catalyze biological reactions. For example, maltose, lactose, invertase, etc. Almost all enzymes are globular proteins. Oxidoreductase enzymes. Enzymes which catalyze the oxidation of one substrate with simultaneous reduction of other substance is called oxireductate enzyme. Phenylketonuria, disease caused by deficiency of enzymes phenylalanine hydroxylase. Albinism, disease caused due to deficiency of enzyme triosinase. Name of the enzyme normally ends with ASE. Streptokinase, enzyme which dissolves the blood clot formed in coronary artery which leads to heart trouble. So they are called enzymes. Enzymes act at some optimum temperature range. Then is nucleic acids. Nucleic acids are long chain polymers of nucleotides. They play an important role in transmission of hereditary characteristics and biosynthesis of proteins. Types of nucleic acids. There are two types of nucleic acids, DNA and RNA. Constituents of nucleic acids. Constituents of nucleic acids are pentose sugar, phosphoric acid, and nitrogenous base. In DNA, beta 2 deoxyribose sugar is present, while in RNA, beta D ribose sugar is present. Nitrogen containing bases. There are two types of nitrogen containing bases found in nucleic acids. These are pyrimidines and purines. Pyrimidines are three bases derived from pyrimidines. These are cytosine, thiamine, and uracil. In DNA, T is present but RNA, U is present. In DNA, thiamine is present but in RNA, uracil is present. Purines. These are two bases derived from purines. These are adenine and guanine. Nucleoside. A unit formed by the attachment of base, nitrogenous base of sugar, is known as nucleoside. In nucleoside, there is nitrogenous base and pentose sugar. But in nucleotide, there is a nitrogenous base, pentose sugar, and phosphate group. So this is called nucleotide.